Today, as a woman, I'm completely ashamed. Mr. Abhijit Gangopadhyay's remarks against a female chief minister, Mamata Banerjee, are unacceptable, given his tenure as a judge at the Calcutta High Court and his current affiliation as a BJP candidate. Let's first understand the whole case. The Election Commission of India on Friday issued a show cause notice to Abhijit Gangopadhyay, a former Calcutta High Court judge and a BJP candidate, for his remarks on West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee during a recent rally. The poll panel deemed the comments as improper, injurious, and undignified, indicating a potential violence of model code of conduct. This action followed a complaint from the Trinamool Congress on Thursday, a day after Gangopadhyay made the controversial remarks at a rally in Haldia. Gangopadhyay is contesting from the Tamluk on BJP ticket. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Let's first understand what Mr. Gangopadhyay said. During the rally, Gangopadhyay, referring to the Sandesh Khali sexual abuse allegations, said, and I quote, "Today, the Trinamool says everything is a lie. Rekha Patra, one of the protesters and BJP's Basirat candidate, was bought for rupees 2,000. Mamata Banerjee, how much are you being sold for? One gives you rupees 8 lakh and gets a job. One gives you rupees 10 lakh and ration vanishes. Why is your rate rupees 10 lakh? Is it because you get your makeup done by Kea Seth?" As per the Indian Express reports, Gangopadhyay further added that how can a woman make such comment about other women? We can't understand. Is Mamata Banerjee even a woman? I wonder sometimes. The Election Commission said that upon examination, the remarks were found to be improper, injurious, and beyond dignity in every sense of term. In a bad taste and to be a prima facie violate the MCC and Commission's advisory dated on March 1, 2024. It sought a response from the former judge by 5 p.m. on May 20. West Bengal Women and Child Development Minister Shashi Panja on Friday said, and I quote, "How can a former judge make such comment on a woman chief minister? The comment is so derogatory that I cannot repeat it. Is this BJP's culture? No BJP leader has protested against the comment." However, BJP's silence is expected as their Prime Minister Narendra Modi never uttered a word on Manipur. They never took steps in the Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh case. Trinamool Congress leader Santanu Sen, Minister of State Health and Family Affairs Chandrima Bhattacharya among the ruling party leaders condemned Gangopadhyay's comment. Sen said that a leader who has worked as politically minded upholder of the legal system and then went to the BJP has made such a disgusting comment on the only woman chief minister of the country. In a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, the Trinamool Congress said, "It is evident that the BJP leaders find it incredibly hard to fathom a woman in power, challenging their authority. Their archaic mindset, steeped in gender biases, is bluntly on display." According to the Model Code of Conduct, the parties and the candidates should refrain from criticizing opponents' private lives, making unverified allegations, or issuing statements that could be seen as malicious or offensive to decency and morality. In an advisory on March 1st issued ahead of the Lok Sabha elections, the Election Commission of India reminded parties to adhere the code and uphold the decency in political discourse. The advisory also emphasized that parties and candidates should avoid actions that could be perceived as disrespectful to the dignity of women. Do you think Mr. Gangopadhyay's right-wing Hindutva-aligned ideologies lead to leniency towards criminals with similar views? How does political leanings influence his judgments on cases involving rapists, molesters, and other criminals? Is this reflects what BJP stand for? What does it mean for justice and equality? Do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.